You are a wonderful God. Oh, my creator. Only you are.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Doyle back with another video. In today's video, gonna be talking about liquidity. I'm about to make this as simple as possible, man. I'll make everything simple on my channel. So what is liquidity? Liquidity is where money is sitting at. It is where stop losses are sitting at. It is where pending orders are at. So sell stops, buy stops, buy limits. It's just a bunch of money sitting in this particular area. Now, what are we taught? We are taught to have our stop loss above highs and above lows, basically peak highs and peak lows. So if we are taught to have our stop loss above highs and above lows, if the market go away from that area, that is liquidity, because people stop loss is right there. And also people might have their sell stop or buy stop there too. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm just going to walk through and simulate through US 30, and I'm going to break it down slowly so you can understand, because it's very simple. Like, once you see that the market keep breaking highs and breaking lows, they're not doing that on just by accident. It's because people are getting stopped out. I made a video about this like 9 months ago, but I feel like this is going to be a little bit more cleaner video. Okay, so right here, if we're looking at US 30 in this particular scenario right here, the current market is, well, this is not the current market, but right here where the replay is at, it already grabbed liquidity down here. Now I say that because this wick right here, this candle wick, was the lowest point. As it came down, it went lower. What did it do? It stopped out the people that had their stop loss up under here. Now, where is liquidity sitting at now? We still haven't broke these highs. Okay, we haven't broke these highs, so money is still sitting up here. Now, don't get me wrong, this wick right here stopped out these traders and these traders, so really liquidity is above this wick. Okay, so liquidity is going to be at equal highs and equal lows, or peak highs and peak lows. Okay, liquidity is not always going to be sitting at equal highs and equal lows. It's not going to always be like that. It can literally, liquidity can just be sitting right here, just like this, a regular peak high. Like, that's still liquidity, because people are going to sell and they're going to have their stop loss right there. Okay, so let's take this off. So since the market went down and broke structure, breaking structure also can mean that it's grabbing liquidity, or grabbing liquidity. So the money is still sitting right here. The market haven't reached this area, so liquidity is also where areas it haven't reached. Okay, so let's fast forward. Okay, now what did it just do? What did it just do right there? This big black candle just grabbed more liquidity from right here, because as people was buying, where are they stop loss? Right here. So it dipped down, grabbed liquidity, and spiked up. You're gonna know when it's a liquidity grab because of how fast it goes away from that area. You might want to write that down. If it goes away from that area very fast, they just grab liquidity. Okay, so it's not an accident as to why this is a fast black candle and then a fast blue candle. They just grabbed it real quick and then got out of that area. So now, since they got the money is still sitting right here. Okay, so they got these traders, they got these traders, but they still haven't got these people over here. Okay, take this off. All right, now what did they just do right here? Now over here, what did traders do? They sold. So now we have two areas. We have two areas that have the potential to get stopped out. Now we can erase this one because they already got these traders. Okay, but now we have basically an M, and we still have this peak high. So when are they ever going to get these traders up here? Now again, this is liquidity too. Don't get me wrong. All peak highs and peak lows all are liquidity. So this is liquidity too. Does it mean it's going to always reach there? No. Let's just see what happens. Okay, now look what happened. We have them stopping out liquidity, grabbing liquidity right there, stopping out traders. So they always, every time when it's breaking structure, they're reaching a certain area for a reason. Okay, so people stop loss, people buy stops. I don't know why somebody would have a sell limit right here, but whatever. But just know it's money right here and it's money right there. Now, since they went above these areas, these are canceled out because they got the money. They got it. So let's take this off. Take it off. Now the only area that they haven't reached is this, because this is a W. It's people stop loss down here, so we can move the money right here. Now let's see if they create some more liquidity. Okay, let's stop. What is this right here? This is a peak high. It's always where areas haven't reached. Okay, so we have a more liquidity right there. So let's fast forward. Okay, look what they did again. They went up there and got those people. And if you can really spot these really well, they got these traders too. You like, it's gonna get really easier as you practice seeing where the money is at. But look at what they did right here. Look how fast that black candle went and got these people down here. This is a peak low. It went down and it spiked up really fast and got those people. So we don't know if they're gonna come back over here because US 30 is a bullish instrument. But liquidity is very important to spot this stuff, because you understand why they're heading to certain areas, and you can have your take profit way bigger than just a one-to-one, because you know that they're heading to get other traders. So since they have got these people, where's the liquidity right now? As of right now, we have liquidity down here. This is a low that haven't got touched, and it's a low down here that haven't got touched. Okay, so let's just keep going. Okay, we are spiking up. This might be all-time high. Let me go to 4 hour. Yeah, that's all-time high. All right, let's go back to 1 hour. All right, so we had an all-time high. So if we're looking at this, where's the liquidity? Where is it? Liquidity is sitting right here, down here. This is a peak low. It haven't reached this area. Okay, and it's a little bit and this is the area that is potentially going to go to, because we have areas to fill. So a pullback will come soon. Okay, now look at this very moment. What are they doing? They're probably about to get these people right here. They haven't reached down there yet, but I'm pretty sure it is. And then we have liquidity up here. Okay, so we got liquidity right here, and right here. Let's fast forward. Look what they just did. Look exactly what they just did. They just dipped down below and then went up. They literally just did the exact same thing as they did down here. Dip down below, went up. Dip down below, went up. Even this one dipped down below this one and went up. So the market is constantly doing this. It's constantly stopping out traders all day, every day. That's its job. So once you can understand that they're stopping out traders, that is your chance to get in, to get more money, basically. So yeah, let's just keep going, because I want y'all to fully grasp liquidity. It is not that hard. Just peak highs and peak lows, equal highs and equal lows. That's where the money is sitting at, because we are taught to have our stop loss underneath lows and above highs. Okay, so they literally just wick down, got those people filled in this area right here. It's still money right here, don't get me wrong, it's money right here. So now the money is sitting right here and right there. So this is looking like an equal low. Okay, and they went above here, so we can take this off. Okay, let's keep going. What did I tell you? This is an equal low, and what did they do? Got this money, went down here, got that money. So now these are canceled. But guess what? We still have some money sitting over here that haven't got touched, which is down here. Okay. All right. So I don't know if it's gonna go down there, but you feel me? It's still money over there, and it created a peak high. So now we have money right here. So let's just fast forward and see what it do. So this was liquidity 2 right here. It happens. This is clockwork. I'm not gonna lie, this is clockwork. It's gonna keep happening. Okay, it's gonna keep happening. It's gonna keep breaking structure. It's gonna keep reaching areas that it haven't touched yet. That's what it's going to do. Okay, and eventually this is gonna get touched too. And then we got areas to fill right here. It's gonna, listen, it's gonna go up. Okay, that's where we are right now. Okay, so as of right now, we have, let's take this stuff off because none of this is important. So let's take this off. All right, so as of right now, what it just did right here, it created liquidity up here for the sales. People sold, then it finally got them, but the money is still right here. That's where the money is, down here. So, and we have liquidity right here because it's equal highs right here. So to me, we know NAS 100 is going to go up, and it's going to get these people and these people that sold. Okay, that's basically liquidity, man. Liquidity is equal highs, equal lows, peak highs, and peak lows. We are taught to have our stop loss above highs and above lows. Okay, that's where the pending orders are at. Okay, and also people trade breaking of structure. That some people have a strategy like that where they have sell stops and buy stops once it breaks structure. You know what I'm saying? Basically a breakout trader. So it's so much money sitting in a certain area, the market has to go to that area. You know what I'm saying? So right now, US 30, we have liquidity down here and we have liquidity up here. I honestly think that it's going to pull back, maybe stop these people out and then go up. Okay, because you feel me, it's not gonna keep going up. Like, it's gonna pull back, and then we have areas to fill right here, and it's still, well, it filled that in. Yeah, it filled that in. So now we have areas to fill down here. So yeah, it has to come down here, fill that in, maybe stop off some people down here, then go up, you know. But this is the all-time high right here, so it might take some time to get up here. But yeah, that's my video on liquidity, man. It is not that hard, man. I hope y'all got a better understanding of liquidity, man. The market is stopping on people every single day. Every single day. You know what I'm saying? And this is just a 1 hour. Liquidity is on a 5 minute, 15 minute, the daily, the 4 hour. You know what I'm saying? Where's the highs and the lows are at? And the market is going to reach those areas. So that's all I got, man. I hope y'all really learned something from this video. But yeah, that's it. That's all I got. Peace and love. I'm out.